In today's video, two classic NASCAR stock cars are going to race 4 times.
Boogity boogity boogie, let's go racing, boy!
And there's going to be a lot of bumps, bangs,
No.
flips,
From the AI car and
maybe some dark magic. So, let's get going.
boogity boogity boogie, let's go racing, boys! As we head to the south turn, we check up and I got a packing from the AI car and I'm on my roof. I don't think I can even get it. The race is over. There is no other contenders. Like Alex has won the first race ever. Boogity boogity boogity, let's go racing in our second race of the day. We gave him Alex a shot and we actually survived the south turn. Never mind, we don't survive the south turn. As Alex is... What is this insanity that's going on here? As the bot has taken second away from me. And I'm trying to catch up. And the AI car looks like it's hunting down Alex. Unless they both mess up heading into this corner. To the north turning. I hate this bot. We can both agree it's costing us the race. Next time, no bot. Because this is insane. Why does this thing take us out? Well, can you... if you're just gonna make it this car win because it's taking us out and not letting us win the race, we're just gonna not... Hold up. Come on. I'm drafting on you. Hold up and slow down. We head into the north turn. Oh! Nope. Oh. The track is blocked. Alright, this is getting insane. The car, it keeps costing me the race. This is not fair. Yeah, but this isn't fair because the car always takes me out. The car takes me out. I'm getting tired of this car. If this car takes me out one more time, no more boost. No more bot. Because I am tired of this car costing me the... I don't even need a bot to cost me the race. Oh. This is getting hard. Especially when there's a bot hunting you down and then taking you out whenever it feels like. No, no! I don't think the bot should count, because Ollie, the bot isn't gonna count, especially because you just put it in here as a joke to take us out. I'm tired of this happening, where you just take us out and then say, oh, it's the bot. Oh boy. Alright, I'm about to take the lead from Ollie in this car. I'm drafting on it as we're coming in, as we're on the fourth lap. I am right behind him. Oh, Alex has a shot this time. Alex is coming in. Ooh. Oh my God. Come on. Come on. This bot is taking us out. Yes, and if you win because you had this bot wrecking us the whole time, it's not gonna count. Yes. Oh, he wrecked and I wrecked. I'm going backwards. No. No. The bot doesn't count. You know why? You just put it in there. So technically, Alex has the lead. Yes. No, technically, you are the leader. And physically, you are the leader. So this now got interesting. It's just a hope. Unless you nail this corner perfectly. Hold up. You're getting a little squirrely. Oh, I pack him and I turn him. It's happening. It's happening. The pack to the lead. The pack to the lead. I knew I would do that at some point. I packed you for the win. Yes. I am the winner of the second race. We are tied. Oh. Boogity. Let's go racing in our third race. Oh, Alex. I am sorry, buddy. Ooh, and we are driving in reverse here. Yeah, I'm just giving Mater the tow truck a run for his money. Yep. After all, I am literally winning the race in reverse. And yet I'm still managing to win the race. Are you stuck? At the moment, I'm winning the race. So far this race has been pretty wacky. I started off the race by wrecking Alex. the second lap begins as I head into the south turn. Oh, we got turned again. So, oh, hold up, Alex is coming back. We actually have some competition here. It's a race now. Both me and Alex are fighting for the first place position. You went down the backstretch backwards. Yes, backstretch battles backwards. Wow. Well, that's not good. That's not good. And let's slow down. Corner here. Oh, that was perfect. That was perfect. That was a perfect corner. I never thought I would say these. Did Alex not have a perfect corner? As at the moment we are speeding down the backstretch, heading into lap number 3 in the south turn. At the moment we are leading with a monumental lead. Just don't give up. I might get stuck. Did you just give up? Hold up. Are you behind me? Are you in front of me? Where are you? At the moment, I am scared. I am legit scared. Because Alex said, I'm gonna go out in style, and I don't know what that means. He started backwards. Ah! What? No, only just my God mode behind me. Oh boy. Look, only my God mode behind me while I'm driving backwards to start lap 4. What are you doing? How are you just flying behind me? I think Ollie's using hacks because of the sorcery that's going on right now. You thought Harry Potter was big? Look at this. You thought Harry Potter was a good sorcerer. Look at this dark magic. You thought Harry Potter was good? Look at this. I was too busy looking at Ollie. You know, Alex, you're actually a lap down right now. We should just call it. Did you just jump off? No, there's no way we're doing a redo on this. The rate, I'm about to take the white flag. This is insane, guys. Please subscribe to this channel because of this. This has to be it. There's no way it can get any better than this. Has there ever been a NASCAR race that you've seen where a guy was flying behind your car? Hold on. Alright, white flag is in the air and we do it in style by driving backwards. And what a save, I guess. Oh, we are spinning it, yet we still manage to do a clean quarter. So at the moment, we are leading the race. Oh my gosh, there's Alex. Oh, we missed it. What? But what? Oh. Am I the only one seeing this? Oh. So we just got turned, and we are going, now we are officially going, the race is pretty much over at this point, Alex. Admit it. I I am on the backstretch right now. Ooh, boy. We are now heading into the final corner, and for lap number 3, no, for race number 3, sorry, we are going to win our second race in a row, and we do it wrecking.
Boogity, boogity, boogity! Let's go racing, boys!
For the final time. Woo, and we send it. As we just send it into that first corner. As I literally got creamed. Oh! Oh! That was super close. Yet we hang on to it, and I almost lose it there. This is gonna be a bad north turn, that's all I can say. Okay, Alex, I'm sorry, but this might be the worst pack you'll ever get in your life. Yep, heading into the north turn because I can, or you'll just die. Ooh, right behind you. No, not anymore. Close. So close to packing you. So close. And what? Oh, sure. I will pack you so hard that you will. Oh. End up with a tie, which means we might have a chance for another week. I mean, because forgot. So we just gotta hope Alex does something wrong into this north turn. Ooh, boy. Oh! Come on! So close! He's right there! He's right there. Heading, we're on lap number 2. Yeah, 2. Oh! No. This cannot be happening right now. Come on! Come on! Come on! Come on! No. Come on. Come on. It's over. I admit it, I think we're done. We literally have no chance. Oh! Hold up. Something seems to be wrong. I can see Alex's car. Wait. We're coming into a fourth lap. He's around. He's spinning. Oh! Oh! We have the lead. As we're into lap number 4. We actually might have a shot. This might be the greatest comeback in history here. Just history, period. I don't know. Ask the dictionary, because if you Look at the definition of comeback. You'll see my face. Morgan Shepherd. Probably Morgan Shepherd. As we head into, I believe, the north turn. No, the north turn. Call it what you want. I call it Daytona. What happened? Get out. Oh, no, nope, he didn't die. Oh boy. As this race, this is only heating up. As Alex is, oh bad. Alex seems to be trying to turn his car around right now. This race might be over. I have a feeling I'm gonna lose. I'm gonna mess up this. As we are in the final lap, as we head out of the south turn onto the front stretch, I believe Alex still has some sort of chance. I have a feeling I'm just gonna mess up. Oh no! Oh no! I have such a no. The last lap has already begun. Oh no. I got a bad feeling. You can taste it. Fine, I'm gonna give him what he wants, but at a cost. No! Never mind. I'm giving you what you want. I am standing perfectly still.
Here we go.
You actually got me unstuck. This is genius. The sorcery. Just the absolute nonsense that's gone on in this. The absolute nonsense that has gone on in this race has finally determined the winner, and that winner is me. Thank you all for watching. If you want to see Alex's side of the story, make sure to go to NYC area Railfan Productions to see his side of the story, where you will see just as much insanity as you've seen in this film. Thanks for watching.